Are you seeking ways to boost your Magento shop's performance? Today, we'll cover the best practices to ensure your Magento shop runs smoothly and securely. Let's dive in. First, choosing the right Magento hosting provider is key. Assess your store's traffic volume, resource usage, and growth potential. Look for a provider that guarantees strong performance, reliability, and Magento-specific support. Next, integrate a content delivery network, or CDN. This improves site speed globally by distributing content across various servers. It enhances user experience by reducing load times. Implement robust measures, including secure server environments and SSL TLS encryption for data privacy. A web application firewall, WAF, is used to block threats. Regular security updates and audits help mitigate risks. For optimal website performance, use a fast DNS provider. It ensures quick and reliable domain name resolution, keeping your site accessible to users everywhere. Regularly update and maintain your site. Apply Magento patches, perform maintenance tasks, and back up your site regularly. It keeps your store running efficiently and securely. Content caching plays a significant role. Enable full-page caching to reduce server load and enhance page load speed. Use browser and object caching to minimize redundant data, loading and database queries. Database optimization is crucial for speed. Regular indexing, cleanup of unused data, and monitoring keep your database lean and fast. It leads to quick data retrieval and smooth storage operations. Server monitoring helps maintain site performance. Monitor resource usage, server performance, availability, and security to identify and address issues quickly. Load balancing can distribute traffic evenly across servers. It ensures no single server bears too much load. This improves site reliability and performance during peak traffic times. Finally, feedback will be gathered, and regular performance testing will be conducted. User feedback helps pinpoint areas for improvement, while performance testing ensures your store operates at peak efficiency. By following these tips, you can ensure your Magento store offers a fast, secure, and enjoyable shopping experience for your customers. If you find value in our tips, please subscribe and share this video.